What's up guys, in this video I will guide you on how to set alarm on your HiWatch Pro Smartwatch. Now if you actually go over to your HiWatch Pro Smartwatch, from the list of apps over here you will notice that there are actually no alarms app, and even if you go over to the settings you have the option to set time, set date, but there is no option for you to set alarm on your HiWatch Pro Smartwatch, and that is basically because you should be able to do that with your phone. For you to be able to set alarm on your HiWatch Pro Smartwatch, you actually have to connect it with your phone. The connection process is quite simple. All you just have to do is to make sure you have the HiWatch Pro Smartwatch app on your phone. So go over to the Google Play Store or iOS App Store of your phone. Then make sure you download and install the HiWatch Pro app. Then proceed to click on the install button so that you can get the app into your phone. Now once you have the app, the connection process is quite simple. You just want to click on the open button, then proceed to set it up. It is quite easy to set up. Just click on the agree button, give it all of the permission it needs, and once you're here, make sure you connect both devices together. So click on the set tab at the bottom over here, click on bind devices to experience more feature, click on allow, and then just connect to your HiWatch Pro Smartwatch over here. And once it finds the name of your HiWatch Pro Smartwatch, just go ahead and select it, and then both devices will be connected together. And as you can see over here, mine has just successfully connected. You're also going to get the prompt to make sure that both devices are connected via Bluetooth. So click on got it and you're going to see the prompt. But if you do not see the prompt, also make sure you actually pair both devices via Bluetooth by going over to the Bluetooth settings of your phone, and then also search for the name of your HiWatch Pro Smartwatch and also connect to it directly from here. So I'll go ahead and select it directly from here. And as you can see, click on the pair button. Now once the connection is successful, in order for you to set alarms on your HiWatch Pro Smartwatch, what you want to do is to basically just come over to the set button at the bottom over here. At the top, you're actually going to see the alarm option. Go ahead and select that. And then from here, you can go ahead and set any alarm you want for your HiWatch Pro Smartwatch. So click on the plus icon over here. And now I will just select any time I want for my alarm. And then just set it for every day. We can as well choose the day we don't want it to ring out, and then once you're done, you just want to go ahead and click on the confirm button. So I'm literally setting this time for every day. Click on the confirm button over here, and once it is set, the alarm will also be set on your HiWatch Pro Smartwatch as well, and automatically once this time reaches, the alarm will start to ring on your HiWatch Pro Smartwatch even though you're not with your phone. So I have just set another alarm for 16:25, and you can literally see the alarm ringing over here on my HiWatch Pro Smartwatch as well. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.